Hi everyone, my name is Vicky Espinoza and I'm a doctoral candidate at the University of California, Merced. My research analyzes the potential implications of the Sustainable Groundwater Management Act, or SGMA, on agricultural lands and how these land use changes could impact our farmers and communities in the San Joaquin Valley, California. My work involves a lot of engagement with farmers in the valley to inform them about SGMA, particularly with Latino farmers. But given the current social distancing circumstances, the in person meetings we are used to attending are currently not possible. But there is a common alternative, and it's meeting through video conference or virtual meetings to continue to stay informed, collaborate, and participate. I will be hosting some webinars on my doctoral research via video conference calls, and I would love for you to participate. Other agencies like groundwater sustainability agencies have been implementing this method of holding virtual meetings. A common and free software is called Zoom. I want you all to be comfortable with joining virtual meetings, so in this video I will show you how to download the Zoom application. I will go over the virtual meeting room, how to participate during the meeting, and how to leave the meeting. Let's begin by downloading the Zoom application on our computer. In the web browser, go ahead and type in zoom.us/support/download, just as I'm doing on my screen. This will take you directly to the app download page. The page will begin a download on your computer. It will ask you where you would like to save your download file. You can select wherever you'd like, but I'm going to go ahead and select the download folder on my computer and save. Once the application has finished downloading, go ahead and find it in the folder where you saved it and click on it. Now we're going to follow the software download instructions. This is an introduction to the Zoom installer. So I'm going to go ahead and click continue. This is asking me where I'd like to save the Zoom application. So I'm just going to go ahead and install it in the default setting, install. My computer is a little bit different, so it's asking me for a password. That's okay. You go ahead and do that if you need to. So now it's writing files and necessary packages, and the installation was successful. Now that we have installed Zoom, let's go ahead and explore the application. When opening Zoom, you will see this window. You can go ahead and sign in if you have a Zoom account, or if you don't, you can go ahead and create one by providing your email and creating a password. You can go ahead and follow these steps if you'd like, but for today, I'm just going to go ahead and join a meeting. You can join a meeting without signing in and having an account if you have the meeting ID provided to you by your meeting host. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my meeting ID. And I also have the option of changing the name that's displayed when I enter the meeting. I also have the option of disconnecting to the audio and joining the meeting with my video off. Some meeting hosts provide a password for you to join a meeting. If your host has provided you with a password, go ahead and type it in. Before joining a meeting, Zoom may ask if you'd like to test your computer audio. And this is to make sure that your speakers and microphone work before joining the meeting. So I'm testing my speakers now, and now I'm going to test my microphone. Hello! Everything seems to be working just fine. Now that I'm in the meeting, I'm going to join using the computer's audio. As you can see, I am the host of this example meeting through the Zoom app on my phone, where I am sharing my video. On the computer, I am not sharing my video and I am muted. You can go ahead and use the buttons on the bottom left-hand corner to control whether you are muted or unmuted and sharing your video or not. Now let's explore some ways we can communicate and participate during the meeting. In the center of the bottom panel, there's an icon called Chat. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a window where you are able to chat with everyone in the group or send a message privately to the host. So here I'm sending a message privately to the host, and you're able to change that and send a message to everyone in the group. Now let's explore the participants icon located to the left of the chat icon. Depending on the host meeting settings, when you click on this, a panel with a list of meeting participants will be displayed. If you look at the bottom right-hand corner of the participants list, you will see a button that reads Raise Hand. If you click on this, a hand icon will be displayed next to your name to notify the host and other meeting participants that you have a question or comment to make. To lower your hand, simply click on the same button. If you need to leave the meeting either during or once the meeting has ended, simply click on the Leave button located in the bottom right-hand corner of the meeting panel. Zoom will ask you to confirm that you would like to leave the meeting. Click Leave Meeting and the meeting should end.